digital marketing has changed how businesses reach customers. Let's break down what it actually is and how it powers the modern economy. At its core, digital marketing is simply the process of promoting products or services using online channels and electronic devices. Today, businesses allocate more than half of their entire advertising budget to digital platforms to reach consumers where they spend their time. Companies use a mix of strategies, from optimizing their search rankings to engaging directly with followers on social media. Unlike a billboard, digital marketing allows companies to track exactly how many people saw an ad and whether they took action. The shift toward digital is accelerating rapidly as businesses seek better data and more efficient ways to connect with potential customers. The most effective campaigns focus on solving a problem for the user, rather than just interrupting their day with unwanted advertisements. Understanding digital marketing helps you see how businesses operate today. Like and subscribe for more basics. Educational content, not financial advice.